I got home late last night. A few of us went out after work, and the evening ran longer than I planned. When my alarm goes off at 6:30, it feels like I just closed my eyes. I reach for my phone and hit snooze without really waking up. It goes off again a few minutes later. I hit snooze one more time. Then, eventually, I give up. I sit on the edge of the bed for a moment before standing. My eyes don't feel fully open. I make my way down the hallway to the kitchen. I don't turn on any lights. I open the refrigerator and take out the cold water. The light from inside is the only brightness in the room. I fill my glass, put the bottle back, and close the door. The kitchen goes dim again. I carry the glass to the window and stand there. The street outside is empty. A few birds somewhere, but that's all. I take the first sip. The water is colder than I'm expecting, even though it's always like this. I hold the glass with both hands and look at the garden. Nothing is moving. The light is still soft and gray. I'm not thinking about anything in particular. I'm just standing there, half awake, going through the motions. I finish the water slowly and rinse the glass. I set it on the counter. Then I pick up my phone to check the time, and I notice the day. Saturday? I stare at the screen for a second. I set my alarm last night without thinking. I didn't need to get up at all. There is nothing happening today. No work, no plans, nothing I have to do. I look at the glass on the counter. I look at the window. I look at the phone again. I go back to bed.